Hey everyone, so today we're going to look at a new V16 feature, which is reordering from the customer portal. So this is going to bring us to our sales application. This is our order here for Tom Smith Incorporated. We have a unit price of $100, and the customer is going to see it on this end here. So what they'll do is they'll sign in, they'll go to their homepage. This is what they'll see first. And then from there, they can go directly to their sales orders and see any order that they would like to reorder. And by adding right to the order, you can actually go back and add products from another order if you wish. And then it basically aggregates it into a cart for you. So we can see this product here. We want to reorder maybe 2 quantities of this, and it'll take us here. And then all we have to, and now we can click pay now because our information is on file. Automatically loads our billing information. And now we have our wire transfer information here. As you can see, going back to the sales module, we'll be able to see the order come through. We can see this here. If you wanted them to pay by credit card or by uh, another method like ACH, they can easily do that as well. I had it set to wire, so my sales reps will be able to see the order come in and then create the invoice or have accounting create the invoice and then collect the wired amount there based on whatever payment terms that you would have with that method. So I'm going to confirm the order there. And now we have a delivery order set out. Simple as that. Allows your customers to easily go in and reorder products without having to burden sales reps for a reorder of a product that's already been purchased or a part that's already purchased or purchased often. So makes it very simple for your customers.